To stretch out the left levator scapular muscle, bring your right hand back and behind your head with the pads of your fingertips on the first two vertebrae of the neck. Bring the left hand behind, sliding it down your back, keeping your elbow pointing up. Begin to look with your eyes to a spot down on the right side of the floor. With your right hand, gently pull the left side of the neck and head away from your left shoulder until you feel a stretch barrier on the left side. Hold that for 30 seconds and repeat it for 3 sets on both sides. This is a great way to improve mobility in your neck if you're experiencing chronic stiffness, tightness, or pain from prolonged sitting, sports, or have old whiplash injuries that are haunting you. If you're unsure about the exercise or have any uncertainty about where you're at with your neck, consult your local physiotherapist before continuing.